There's a common misunderstanding about public defenders. Yes, they are paid by the state, but their role is to represent individuals who cannot afford legal counsel. In other words, they exist to ensure that everyone's constitutional rights are properly protected, regardless of financial situation.
All right, go ahead. What do you got going on, Mr. Little? What do you want to tell me?
What I'm saying is I got on a payment plan to pay these tickets. I got the payment thing right here in my hand.
Okay, you can pay them. You still got to do this no ops.
What's the no op?
Without a valid license.
Say that again.
Operating a motor vehicle without a valid license.
Do I not have the right to travel? I have dominion over this land, right?
You absolutely have the right to travel. However, operating a vehicle, whether it's a car, helicopter, or airplane, requires proper licensing. Without it, you're violating established laws in every state.
I could anticipate that argument. All right, so what do you? That's not gonna. How do you want to proceed? Because I'm not buying that.
I would like to honor this contract.
I'm not buying that. I'm not buying that.
What you mean you're not buying it? It's your contract. It's your contract.
It's not my contract. You want a trial date? You want to work the deal out? Take failure to display, $240. Plead guilty.
They got me paying $400. They got me paying $445. That's what they got me paying.
Well, you don't want any help on that, so you want to come with the I have the contract argument. And
no, what I'm saying is this, Your Honor, not to disrupt you. I got on a payment plan because of the tickets. Y'all sent me tickets to my house, right? Okay. They put me on a payment plan to pay the tickets off right here. This is what I have in my hand. It's a schedule stating to pay the tickets off. That's why we're here today, for the tickets, right?
Yes.
Or is it something else? Are y'all trying to get my bonds? Is my bonds here?
So here's the deal, sir. You have 3 civil infractions of improper plate, expired plate, and no insurance, and you have 1 misdemeanor, and that's a no ops. So the misdemeanor is punishable by 93 days in jail, and that's the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. This is for purposes of arraignment for Mr. Little. And
is that
let me finish. I'll let you finish. Let me finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. And you have you can pay a civil infraction anytime you want to. That when you pay it, that is admitting responsibility by making that payment.
It's interesting to see how these cases have evolved over time. There was a time when individuals would completely refuse to participate in court proceedings, often resulting in removal by law enforcement.
What are we doing?
Now, we're seeing more engagement with the system, including payments and partial compliance, which marks a noticeable shift.
The records show that you just battered me.
Step back.
And you're using... Stop, please. I'm not doing anything wrong.
You're not letting me finish.
Yes, sir.
The misdemeanors are not something that you can pay. Those need to be adjudicated first. So that's why you had to come to court on those tickets. I see that you entered into a payment plan with those civil infractions. So we're going to strike SP 1513015 counts 1, 2, and 3 from the record, and we'll just proceed with SP 1513029-1. How do you want to proceed? How do you want to proceed on operating without a license, a vehicle without a license?
I don't believe I have the authority to I have the authority to travel as I need to travel.
All right,
Or
I'm
have been given
denying
to me.
that. I'm gonna consider that as a motion, and I'm denying that, okay?
It's no
So
motion, it's a
let me
fact.
ask you,
It's
there's
a
only
fact,
two
Your Honor.
options. Well, that's what you argue that. You appeal my decision then, and you go to a further court and argue that. You take all that to the Supreme Court and see what they say.
Ultimately, a judge makes rulings based on their interpretation of the law. If someone believes the decision is incorrect, they have the right to appeal to a higher court.
I don't care.
Why would I have to do that, Your Honor? If you honored
Because
your
I'm denying that motion. That's why. All right, so how do you want to proceed? Do you want to plead guilty today, or do you want me to set a trial date?
Animal, I'm not an animal, man.
You're breaking up, sir.
I say animals plead by high like that. I don't plead.
All right, so I'm going to set a trial date. You want a jury trial, or do you want to judge by a trial by a jury, or you want me to hear the case?
If I could not get a fair case regardless, Your Honor, because you're an agent of the state, and as if I get a jury, that the jury will be an agent of the state, because once they register to vote, they become an agent of the state. So how can I get a fair trial in that, Your Honor?
I don't know, but we got to move this case along. Let's get a jury trial date.
Yeah,
I'm not going to spend any more time. There's a lot of people here that want to get their case heard.
Yes, sir. Can I ask you what jurisdiction do you have over me?
By appearing in court, you submit yourself to its authority, meaning personal jurisdiction is established. And if the alleged offense occurred within that location, subject matter jurisdiction applies as well.
Can I?
Go ahead, Ms. Harris. He doesn't want your representation. You're an agent of the state too.
I'll accept that. I'm just going to ask the court if the court would consider dismissal based on the fact that he did pay other civil infractions and admit.
He hasn't paid anything yet. He only
yes,
paid.
I have. Yes, I have. I have paid.
He paid $20. He paid $20. He paid $20.
That's a part of my agreement. That was a part of my agreement, Your Honor. Not $40, not $60. It was $20. $20 each payment. That's what I did. I didn't give him more than what I agreed to. I gave him what I verbalized and I agreed to, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Fucking double.
Say that again, Mr. Little.
Say that again, what?
What comment did you make?
I'm not sure what you want you speaking about.
Speak up now. Say it. Speak up.
I'm not sure which one you're talking about.
Instead of talking under your breath.
I'm talking to another person on the phone. Another phone.
So your next court date, your jury trial date is going to be May 7th. And then we'll set a final pretrial date for the week before that, March the 30th. All right.
The next date is set for March 30th. While trials aren't always publicly available, the pre-trial conference will likely provide more insight into how this case unfolds. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, hit like. If not, hit dislike. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss future content. This is Courtroom Decode, signing off.